Wait, before you blow that $1,000 on crypto because your cousin said so, let me show you what actually works. Look, I get it. Everyone's telling you different things about investing and it's overwhelming. But here's the thing, your first $1,000 doesn't need to be complicated. In fact, keeping it simple is exactly how you win. First up, and this might sound boring, but you need an emergency fund before anything else. I'm talking $500 minimum sitting in a high-yield savings account. Why? Because life happens. Your car breaks down, your laptop dies, whatever. If you have to sell your investments during an emergency, especially when the market's down, you're basically lighting money on fire. So take half that grand, stick it somewhere boring but accessible. Ally Bank, Marcus by Goldman Sachs, they're paying around 4% right now. Not sexy, but necessary. Now for the fun part, your remaining $500. Open a Roth IRA with Fidelity or Vanguard. Takes literally 10 minutes online. Then buy one thing, a total market index fund. VTSX if you're with Vanguard, FZROX if you're with Fidelity. That's it. You're now invested in basically every public company in America. No picking stocks, no timing the market, no stress. Here's what nobody tells you. The habit matters more than the amount. Set up automatic transfers, even just $50 a month, into that investment account. In 5 years, that consistency will matter way more than getting this first 1,000 perfect. Look, everyone started somewhere. Even Warren Buffett had a first $1,000 to invest. You're not behind, you're beginning. If this helped, hit subscribe. I drop realistic money advice every week. No BS, no get-rich-quick schemes. Just stuff that actually works. See you in the next one.